Hey everybody, in this video we're going to talk about self-publishing and what it's going to look like here in 2019.
For $20,000 a month.
Hey everybody, I'm Omeka, and if you're brand new to the channel, please smash that subscribe button if you want to learn 3 things. How to increase your income so you can take back your freedom so you can design your ultimate lifestyle. In today's video, we're talking about what is self-publishing, specifically on Amazon, and what it's going to look like here in 2019. So if you are not familiar with self-publishing at all, don't worry about it. I'm going to cover exactly what it is and give you a little tips and tricks on exactly what you can do to get started with self-publishing in 2019. Now, first off, self-publishing is a phenomenal way to get started making a passive income or an online income here in 2019. I am personally a 6-figure self-publisher every single year. I've also trained numerous students through the Blueprint Publishing Academy on how to generate over 6 figures a year with self-publishing on Amazon. So what is self-publishing? Well, self-publishing is basically taking books that you either write or you have written for you, publishing them up on a platform like Amazon, and then people go onto Amazon, they purchase your books, and you get paid from Amazon. That's self-publishing in a nutshell. Now, of course, it's a little bit more complicated. There's a few extra steps inside there that you want to get to know and get really good at in order to start generating income. But that's essentially what it is. So let me run down a few of the step-by-step things that you want to do if you're looking at getting started with your self-publishing journey. So step 1 is you have to figure out what type of book do you want to publish. Now, these don't have to be books that you write. They can be books that you have written for you from ghostwriters, freelancers, or writing companies. But the key important thing that you want to keep in mind is it has to be a book that's already, or an idea that's already doing well on Amazon. You don't want to come up with your own idea, because your own idea, you might like it, your mom might like it, your sister might like it, but everybody else in the marketplace might think it's stupid. So you have to look on Amazon to see what's already doing well, what's already selling, what's already making money. So we do that by simply typing in search terms. So for example, how to lose weight. Very, very popular, very generic, search term. People would type that into Amazon, and then a whole bunch of books on how to lose weight would come up. Then there's certain criteria that you look at that I've explained in lots of other videos that you can take a look on the channel. And then if that search term or keyword, as it's called in the industry, is a profitable one, well, now you have an idea or a book topic that you can publish up on Amazon. So the next step is simply getting the book created. Like I said earlier, you can either write the book, or what I prefer to do and what I teach all my students to do is go to a writing company and have them write the book for you. Once you have your book written for you, it's all about just getting a better cover, a more compelling description, a better title, and a better subtitle than your competitors, because now you want to outsell every other book on that particular topic so you can become the #1 person for that particular topic. Publishing your book up on ebooks, paperback, and on audio form, so you have all 3 platforms covered, so your customers can purchase the book in whatever platform that they want, ebook, paperback, or audiobook. And that's essentially it. There's a few other things that are discussed in details in other videos, but that's essentially what self-publishing is. Believe it or not, that simple process can turn into a 6-figure-a-year business. And one of the things that I love about self-publishing is the learning curve, and the cost of entry is so low. And now when I say so low, it's not $50 books or $100 books anymore. So low is anywhere from $300 to $500 for your book. And the learning curve, you're able to figure out how this process works in a matter of weeks. And a lot of our students, they end up turning their first profit within their first 60 to 90 days. And that is what makes self-publishing so great. In 2019, it's going to be a lot like 2018. Amazon's going to make changes, we're going to adjust. Amazon's going to make more changes, and we're just going to keep adjusting. That's all it is. When you boil it down, it's marketing and it's sales. And marketing and sales is just adapting to the marketplace and giving customers what they want. So if you want more information on what self-publishing is and really how to get started with it in 2019, make sure you take a look around, and I'll link up some additional videos in the cards here in this video, as well as into the description as well, to kind of get you pointed in the right direction. If you have any questions or anything like that, please hit me up in the comments. Pretty active on the channel, so I'd love to connect with you. Until next time, everybody, I'm Emeka. We'll speak to y'all soon. Take care.